Hello, my fellow diecast collectors. Going to do a review about these diecast cars from the brand Sparky. Well, here on the left side, we got a collab between Sparky and Tiny Hong Kong, both very good quality diecast brands. Yes, let's start with the Shell Porsches. And we start with this 2-pack, this set. Limited edition, 2000 pieces. Is that limited? Well, eventually everything is limited. Shell Porsche 962C #17 #18. It's a set. And they were involved in the races on Le Mans 1988 and Dunlop Super Cup 1987, the good old days. Like I said, the brand Sparky and Tiny Hong Kong. These are officially licensed products by Shell, by Porsche, by Le Mans. Here we got the barcode and article number for the ones who are interested, and some text freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's see. Let's open this up. This is not the first time I do a review about Shell Porsches from Sparky Tiny Hong Kong. So if you want to see more of these models, you can look it up on my YouTube channel. So here we got the box, Shell Porsche 962C #18. And this is the #17. Is this the same? No, this is not the same, because this is #18, #17. And here you can see the driver. Doesn't say a driver right here. But maybe the name of the driver is on the car itself. We will see. Let's start with the white one. Dunlop Super Cup 1987. So here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. More text. Freeze the frame. Very well packed box package. I like that. And these cars are also very heavy, which means they are made out of metal diecast, as well as the base, as the body. Good rolling wheels. I like that. And let's see. Shell Mid M2000 worth 17. Porsche. Just like I was saying, here we got the name of the driver here. Can you see it? AJ Stuck. This is a very well detailed looking car. No opening part. But we do have landslides here in the front. Windscreen wiper is molded in the glass, but it got a black color. We even have side mirrors, very important. And yes, we're going to have a look in the interior. Yeah, same name here on the side, just like the other side. I think this is the fuel cap. Also got a black color. And here we got the back with the exhaust. The lights are painted. Nice spoiler. Yes, we're going to have a look at in the interior. First, we're going to have it do it like this. So there is a bucket seat inside. A little bit difficult to see. Yeah, no, you can only look at the front window, but there is a bucket seat inside. Steering wheel. Okay. A little bit far away from the bucket seat in my opinion, but it's not bad. Yeah, let's keep everything together. So this is the first one. Then we got the other one from the set. Yes, you want to see the barcode, article number, and the text, which is probably the same as the other packets. And we got the red version, which is also very cool. And I'm getting a Shell station from G-Fans. I did a pre-order on AliExpress. So this will be a very good match with that Shell station. I know it's not from a racing track, but you know, I can do something cool with it. Is there a name on the side? Here we got 3 names, and there is even a Dutch name. S. van der Merwe. Oh, I have to show you on camera. S. van der Merwe. Then V. Schurpen and B. Wolek. And on the other side, we got the same names. Yeah. Want to have a look inside? Why not? Probably, yeah, that's definitely the same bucket seat, same interior. But it's a different livery. But for the rest, it is pretty much... And no, we have a different spoiler here in the back. I like that. They're not completely the same. Front is the same. Base also the same, normal screws, but here the back is different. I like that. Maybe to test if it's better, if it's faster, of course. Yeah, really cool. I like that. Okay, up to the next one. So, hashtag 17 Ludwig. Let's open it up. You can see it's a licensed product. Here it says Shell, and the Shell Pacton logo are trademark of Shell, used under license. Okay, here we also got 3 names. Stock, Bell, and Ludwig are driving this car in a 24-hour of Le Mans. So I think that's the difference. This is Wolek, this is Wolek, Schurpen, Van der Merwe, and the 17, like I said, Ludwig, Bell, Stuck. Show them next together. So here you can see there are differences. Here the Porsche logo, this is black, this is yellow. C1, that's the same. This is also the same. M2000 shell. Yeah, also same lanced headlights. Then we got the side. Also the same, except for the numbers. And base also the same. And this is also the same. 118. Oh, there's also a card inside. I think that's with every one there is a card. This is number 1331 out of 2000. Okay. So I guess then I want to know the other. Nothing in this box. But I do want to know if there is a card in this box. Yep, there is. 1803 out of 2000. And here you got both cars. Sparky, limited edition, 962. And this one. Yep, there's also a card. 1803. 962. And 18. That is a very cool set, my friends. Very happy to have it. Now we're going to have a look at the Lamborghinis. The off-road Lamborghini Sterrato Huracan. Yeah, I already did a review about the green one, so you can look it up. You can look it up on my channel. Okay, with this one, it comes with a spare tire, and this one not. I believe there's also coming one from Mini GT, so I'm definitely going to compare those two. Officially licensed by Lamborghini, and here we got a lot of information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode, article number. I really like it that Sparky is making these models. I have to say that the quality is also very good. So we got good rolling wheels. Well, the front is not that good rolling with this one. I do like the rims and of course rubber tires. Left hand steering, so we got the extra LED lights here in front. Lanced lights with paint on it. Not 100% sure, but we do have side mirrors. Love the matte black look on the top. And here we got the back. And we do have a nice metal base with some details, like the profile on the tires. That is definitely off-road profile, which makes it very realistic. Okay, let's have a look inside the car. Yep, perfect interior. Nothing wrong with that. Nice steering wheel. Black interior, I like it. Yeah, very good looking. Okay, let's go to the orange version. Let's place it right here. Yeah, you want to see the box? Okay, let's do that. Got to have all these colors. Yeah, these front wheels are rolling a lot better than the white version. And again, a metal base with Sparky. This one doesn't have normal screws, while the one from Tiny has normal ones. Oh, sorry. And here we got the front. Nice orange color. Well, my eyes are seeing orange. And now you want to see the one with the spare tire on top. No problem, we can fix that. I will open the box for you. So here we got the box. This is the first one they released. There we go. Beautiful olive green color. Yeah, good rolling wheels. And yeah, this one is definitely my favorite because of the spare tire on the roof. I like accessories. I like when it comes with a figure and accessories, and this one has an accessory on the rooftop. I like that. And what is also very good, that the tire on the roof is the same as the one underneath the car. That is realistic. Most of the time, yeah, especially with mainlines, with premium models, you don't see that much. But with mainline models, you get a very strange looking spare tire. You think, if I get a flat tire with that car, that spare tire doesn't going to help me. It doesn't look at all like the tire underneath the car. What the heck were you thinking? That's not realistic. Yeah, nice interior. Super cool. I love these cars. Very well done, Sparky. Good quality. Good details. Authentic rims. Good profile on the tire. And me like a metal base a lot with some details. Hey. Hey. No, same profile on the tires. I thought that I saw different profile on this one because this is the first one they released. No, it's the same. Very cool. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know what you think about these cars. And what is your favorite of these three Lambos? Is it the one with the spare tire? Is it the white one? Is it the orange one? Or do you say, no, I don't go for the Lambo. I go for one of these Porsches. I like that. Okay. Have a very nice day. See you soon. Bye.